The City of Fayetteville is proud to present its very first splash pad.
Splash pads are a pretty popular amenity, so we knew it would be popular, but I came out here and watched Saturday, a couple Saturdays back, and there was around 200 people out here.
The splash pad has been an exciting addition to Walker Park, offering families a refreshing, fun-filled experience during the hot spring and summer seasons.
You know, they're engaged in the splash pad, but they're also using the playground and the skate park, which we thought, you know, would go well together.
The project was a huge endeavor from start to finish. There were many phases of the entire process from conception to construction.
You know, there's a whole lot of work before they actually could get started, but once they started, they got going and made pretty good time. I mean, they had some weather delays and so forth, but on the whole, they were able to make pretty good time.
And soon, Gully Park will have its own splash pad on the other side of town.
Some real good plans at Gully. We've got a good bit of work to do there. We've got a grant that's going to help pay for the splash pad, which actually lets us do more work than we were hoping. It won't be like this one. We want it to be different so that, you know, you have a different experience.